Welcome back, friends. In this video, I will show you how to round numbers to a multiple of certain numbers in Excel. For example, here I have a data of product name and their order quantity. Requirement here is to round these numbers up to the multiple of 12 and make the final order. To do this, you can apply here a function which is the ceiling.math. Let me write the formula here. Equals ceiling.math. In the number parameter, click on the first order quantity. In the significance, put the number by which you want to round up, which is 12 in this example. The third parameter is optional, which you can skip. Close the formula and hit enter. Here you see, the order quantity is rounded up to the multiple of 12. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down. So, this is how you can round numbers up to the multiple of certain number in Microsoft Excel. To learn more in Excel, go to the channel page and explore video section. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in next video.